Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to use Dante in Anime Vanguards. We'll start by understanding his core mechanics, including his powerful transformation and critical hit system. Then, we'll cover the best ways to place and upgrade him for maximum impact in the early stages of your game. Finally, we'll explore essential traits and familiars that significantly boost Dante's overall effectiveness. Dante's primary mechanic revolves around his smoking passive, which builds a gauge leading to a powerful transformation. Upon reaching Upgrade 2, he unlocks Jackpot, enabling critical hits to trigger multiple follow-up attacks. When transformed, Dante receives a substantial boost: 100% increased damage, a 50% higher critical rate, and an extended 20% attack range, making him incredibly potent. For optimal performance, strategically place Dante to leverage his area of effect attacks effectively. He synergizes exceptionally well with units that offer damage buffs or further increase his critical hit rate, amplifying his already impressive output. Remember, Dante is not immune to crowd control, so including units that can cleanse these effects will ensure his consistent damage contribution throughout the waves. To truly master Dante, always prioritize upgrading him to at least Upgrade 2 to unlock his crucial Jackpot passive. For traits, Deadeye is highly recommended, and Turbo Granny stands out as a top familiar for boosting his critical rate and unbound damage. Remember to check the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals to enhance your reading experience.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.